Check this out for making your hair fuller, but here's the important theme: full-time hair. What do I mean by full-time hair? It means you wake up every day with your own fuller hair. You go to sleep every day with your own fuller hair. You go in the shower, you shampoo, you swim. You live life fully because your hair is fuller all the time. Now, how is this possible? Through the microstrand technology and the microstrand invention. Look, you can probably see it maybe here, but upon contact of the skin of the scalp, look at that disappear. It disappears. After one hair at a time is fed onto that, it becomes this. So look, no matter how I move this around, you see through it. Because after human hair is attached to this and fed onto this, it disappears. When this is then blended in between your own hair, it stays there. You have full-time fuller hair. Or if you're a hair professional, your clients are gonna have full-time fuller hair. So notice, this video is for you as an individual. If you need fuller hair, or you're wearing some sort of hair extension or hair topper, know that will make your hair thinner quicker. This will keep your hair safe. Plus, this is full-time hair that you wake up with and you sleep with and you shower with and you swim with. And no matter what you do with it, it's just like your own hair because it is your own hair. It's your own hair with more hair added in between. So, if you're an individual, click on the button below, find out more detail, get all your questions answered, schedule a video call or a regular call, and find out what your options are. It's worth it because this technology is the top technology that keeps your hair safe and provides you with full-time hair. It makes all the difference in the world. If you're a hair professional, you need to offer this to your clients. If you care about your clients, you need to offer this technology to your clients so they can have full-time, fuller hair, but in a healthy way that keeps their own hair healthy and growing. So if you're a hair professional, something special, click the button below, receive a free personalized website that shows your clients how this technology works within a video in that website and shows before and after pictures, shows testimonials, and remember, this personalized website for you, the hair professional, is going to have your name and your contact information. All you have to do is click the button below. It's for a limited time to a limited amount of hair professionals, although we want hair professionals to get this technology out and make this technology available to more individuals. So again, if you're an existing individual, click the button below, schedule a video call or a regular call, and if you're a hair professional, click the button below and get your free website and free training.